James, a moment in my office, please.
I have something to finish.
No, it's urgent. Come now. Perhaps you could knock. I'd appreciate that.
Well, I thought you said now.
Anyway, I have a meeting this afternoon and I'm going to need the research on the tribunal we handled.
Okay, I'll see what I can do. I'm juggling quite a few things at the moment, so don't count on it being 100% ready at the time.
Sorry to barge in, but I have a few questions about the tribunal.
Okay.
Oh, James, how are you?
Fine, thank you, sir.
It's a good thing you're here because for the meeting we have this afternoon, we will need some research on the tribunal.
Okay.
So any chance we can have it ready for, say, 1?
Oh, yes, sure. I'll get on it right away.
Perfect. We need to prep, you and me. Ready?
Okay, give me a few moments.
Good.
What will happen is that... James, a second, please. I'll send you an email.
You do that.
Okay. What was that about?
What about Mr. Adesuwa?
I asked you to do something and I got excuses.
But I'm doing it.
Yes, after B asked you to do it.
This is the issue that I have with you, Adesuwa.
Huh?
You and women like you who do not know how to talk to your male colleagues. Abba, you can't just be ordering me around like I'm your errand boy. What's that about? Do you know the problem I have with women in the workplace?
Please tell me.
Small power, small authority like this. And you must press it on everybody's head. Only God knows how you do at home. Look, I'm not saying this to cause any trouble. I'm just giving you advice. You need to calm down. I have your type at home and she cannot be talking to me anyhow.
I see. My sincere apologies.
Better.
Tammy, sorry, I'll try to see if I can make it when I'm done here. Okay, but give Zuri a kiss for me, okay? Bye. Okay. I see here that you are a computer science graduate, a software engineer.
Yes, ma'am.
But with all the amazing things happening in tech, what are you doing looking for a position in a law firm?
I know the firm is looking for someone with a background in law, but I'm also wondering if there's an opening in the IT wing.
Actually, the firm is looking to building a more responsive site. Something to help us get notes and statutes on time. So I'm going to have to refer you to the human resources manager, and then we'll take it from there. Is everything okay?
It's not that, ma. It's just that I'm not really into computers.
I'm sorry?
The computer thing is more like a theory to me. I don't really know how to operate computers.
Good day, ma.
Good day.
Thank you. Mercy. So tell me about yourself.
Well, after law school was NYSC, and I was posted to the Women Affairs Commission in Abuja. But I wasn't retained there, that's why I'm still looking for a job, ma.
It also lists here that you volunteered with an NGO.
Yes, ma. I volunteered with the Society Against Gender Violence, and I...
How can I help you, James?
I was just talking to a few people outside, and they said they're here for an interview. I was not informed.
HR was.
For what role?
My paralegal assistant.
But that's my job.
Have you forgotten?
What?
You don't take instructions from women. I've been looking for a replacement for a very long time, and your blatant conduct this morning only confirmed what I suspected long ago. These interviews have been scheduled for a while. So please get out. I'd rather have an assistant who has no problems taking instructions from me. James, please call the next person on your way out. Mercy, we'll get back to you.
Thank you, ma.
Have a good day.
You too.
I know you told your friends